Alright, so you guys are familiar with the 1/2 base times height formula for a right triangle. Now we're going to throw in kind of a twist on it. So we're going to do 1/2 times side B times side C times sine of angle A. Now these can all be changed. This is true for non-right triangles. Basically, C sine of A is your height. Base is one of the legs, so we need 2 legs times the angle that is not opposite of either B or C. So if we're looking at this, we can kind of change my letters. So I'm going to change B, C, and A to fit this. So we're going to do 1/2 times side T times side S times sine of the other angle, which in this problem would be R. So 1/2 times 14 times 24 times sine of the angle that I know. When I type that in, let's see, what does that give me? Make sure you're in degree mode. You end up getting 148.34. Now if we go over to this triangle, now you can use the Huron's formula, or if you just want to keep it in the same pattern and say, okay, I'm going to go through and do 1/2 base times height, but I know that it's going to be 2 sides times sine of a third angle. So if I rewrite it, 1/2, we will do x, y, sine of z for this triangle. Doesn't matter, you could have done y, z, sine of x, you could have done any combination of those two. Just make sure all 3 of these are different. That means we've got 1/2, side x would be 27, side y would be 25, and then sine of angle z, which I don't have. So now if you guys are looking at this, side, 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 we could find angle z using law of cosines. So off to the side we could say 28 squared equals, whoops, that's not what I wanted, 27 squared plus 25 squared minus 2, 27, 25, cosine of z. We could solve this out. So 28, I'm going to do this real quick, squared, it gives me 70, negative 1350 cosine of z. So inverse cosine of 570 divided by 1350 tells me z is 65.03 degrees. Plug this in. So 0.5 times 27 times 25, sine of 65.03. The total area is 305.95. So you can use the Huron's formula. Personally, I just don't like to memorize extra formulas if it's not needed. But all you need to create is a side angle side triangle, and you can go straight to finding the area. There's 2 problems on the next slide. Try them on your own, and we can go through them in class if we need to.